Alright, we out in nature. Let's get this reading done, y'all. Alright, let's get this reading done. Alright, the Shanita frequency. We out in nature, y'all. I'm gonna do a quick reading. You know, I come out, hug the trees, I ground. Yeah. Let's do a quick nature reading. What's the energy, Mother Nature? What is the energy around the people, Mother Nature? What is the energy around the people? What is the message that Mother Nature has for the collective? What is the message that Mother Nature has for the collective? Okay, we got the Queen of Cups, and we got the King of Wands in reverse. Okay, so Mother Nature has a message. Trust your intuition. Okay, trust yourself at this time. Have some restraint. Okay, radiate an empathy, gentleness, spirituality, generosity. Love your family at this time. Okay, now there is somebody in this energy. Okay, and that's how you're going to transmute this negative energy. Is injustice, arrogance, deception. Okay, prejudice, conflict, aggression. All right, so Mother Nature is coming to tell you to transmute these negative energies, okay, with your positive energies, okay, and that's how you will win. All right, let's pull some more. I'm gonna pull two more. We got, look, balance. We got the King of Swords, okay, and we got wow, we got the Knight of Swords. Okay, so yeah, this has a lot to do with thinking. Okay, so Mother Nature wants you to find balance at this time, harmony, all right, around this selfish person. Okay, so I feel like Mother Nature wants us to transmute at this time. Okay, transmute our emotions and our thinking. Get out in nature, okay, for clarity. Okay, but find balance in your perception and your objectives. Find harmony and fairness in this negativity. Okay, yeah, some of you guys may be around people who are selfish or impatient or giving you bad advice. If you feel impatient, transmute that energy with harmony and fairness. All right, there may be somebody who wants you to be violent or aggressive. Okay, and you're going to transmute that. Okay, and it's more about thinking. Okay, so you need to be transmuting this negative thinking with this positive thinking. Okay, so you're being called, Mother Nature is calling you to pay attention to your negative thinking and transmute it with positive thinking and positive feelings. All right, positive emotions. All right, and that's how you're going to win. The Shanita frequency. See you in the next video. Bye.